welcome. This is Jamie from Master Addons. In this video, I am going to show you how Tooltips extension works. First, navigate to this extensions manager and make sure you have enabled this tooltip, and then navigate to your page editor and drag any elements you like to add a tooltip. For example, I am dragging this image element and adding an image. Now just enable tooltip, and then you can see the content area. You can change your tooltip content from this option. Then the placement, you can select your position. Let's select right, and then the follow cursor. By default you can see the position is right, but if you enable this follow cursor, then the position will be gone. Now whenever your mouse will move, your tooltip will stay with your mouse cursor. Let's disable this and stick with our placement on right. Then animation, you can define animation. Then trigger, you can select click or hover for the trigger. Let's select click, and now if I click, then it will be appeared. Let's select hover, and then duration, you can define your animation duration. Then the tooltip size, and the final step is our arrow. If you disable this arrow, then the tooltip arrow will be gone, and if you just enable, you can select round or sharp tooltip arrow. That's it. That's how the content area of tooltip works. And move to our style area. Here the first option is the maximum width. You can define the width, and then the text color. Let's select a red color, and then the background color. Okay, and the arrow color, let's keep it red. And the padding for your tooltip, let's type 5 padding for top, right, bottom and left. And then the border, you can select a solid border. You can define the width and also define individual border radius too. Let's keep it none. And the distance 10, perfect. Text alignment center. And then typography, let's select a different font and font size 18 pixel, and save it, then preview. Okay, that's our final output. I hope you got a clear idea on how to work with this tooltips extension by Master Addons. If you still have any question regarding this extension, feel free to comment in this video or get in touch with us via our support forum. We will try our best to assist you.